Be ready for dictation. 5 seconds. Start. The aforesaid endeavor of the appellant corporation did not succeed before the assessing officer within bracket for short AO bracket close full stop. The AO opined that the non-refundable grants were in the nature of capital expense and not a revenue expense and thus disallowed the same as a deduction full stop. What weighed with the AO was also the fact that the grants received from the central government were in the nature of a capital receipt exempt from tax full stop. The AO noted that no deduction as sought for has been claimed in the previous assessment years full stop. Of course, subsequently, the stand of the appellant corporation, as the SSC, was that the same was a mistake and they would not be bound by the same for the subsequent years full stop. This round went to the revenue department full stop. An appeal was preferred before the commissioner of income tax within bracket appeals bracket close, New Delhi bracket for short CIT bracket close, which in terms of the order dated 22/8/1980 opined that the grants made by the appellant corporation undisputedly fall within its authorized activities, which are interlinked and interconnected with its main business of advancing loans on interest to state governments and cooperative societies full stop. These grants were intended to be utilized for various projects which were admittedly of capital nature and resulted in the acquisition of capital assets, but not by the appellant corporation itself full stop. Thus, a conclusion was reached that, in terms of section 37 of the Income Tax Act, 1961 within bracket hereinafter referred to as the IT Act bracket close, as it would stood for the relevant assessment year, any expenditure except of the prohibited type laid out or expended wholly and exclusively for the purpose of the business was allowable as the deduction while computing business income full stop. The CIT, thus, found that the approach adopted by the AO was fallacious as the functions and activities of the appellant corporation included giving loans and grants which, in fact, was the very purpose for which it had been set up full stop. The appellant corporation was thus, held entitled to the deduction of rupees 1,935,950 full stop. The net deduction, however, allowed was limited to rupees 1,366,187 on account of refund of the grants to the extent of rupees 569,763, which had remained unutilized full stop. The second round, thus, went to the appellant corporation full stop para. It was now the turn of the revenue department to prefer an appeal before the income tax appellate tribunal within bracket for short ITAT bracket close, New Delhi bench, which, however, accepted the view taken by the AO and did not agree with the approach of the CIT, setting aside the order of the CIT within bracket A bracket close full stop. The rationale for doing so was slightly different full stop. It held that the grants, additional grants and other sums received by the appellant corporation from the central government went to a single fund and were not treated as its income, and thus, disturbance made by the same could not be treated as revenue expenses. Full stop. Over.